this is going to be a harder video to show, but the clicking is because the teeth kind of run up on the side of the pulley there, then click down. Do you see it popping up and down? So it looks like this doesn't happen back here. Or yeah, I guess it does, doesn't it? That's what the grinding sound is. So the click is the teeth clicking when it pops past the side of the pulley. And it just gets worse the closer you get, until when you're at this point, it's like a lot of force to get the thing to keep going. But you can tell it happens, like right now I have it on the exact opposite side of the axis and it still does this popping.